Alright, this is a demo video for machinery values of the Cincinnati model R77 cylindrical grinder. This machine is made in Germany. It's a plunge feed machine as well as a quick feed machine. We'll start the hydraulics. Start the spindle. Very quiet. When we're infeeding, the infeed is observed on this gauge up here. As this needle travels down, your machine is traveling in. It goes from a coarse feed to a fine feed. Changeover point, you'll get this red light to come on, and when it reaches zero, this light will come on, and there's a timer on the side of the machine to set how long spark out will be. So when we press the cycle start button here, the workhead will start running. The wheel slide will move in, a predetermined stroke, and then our feed will start. And the feed can be adjusted. This is your coarse feed, and this is your fine feed. So we'll take a look at this cycle as it goes. Come in with the slide, and we're coarse feeding right now. This is a plunge grind mode. Somewhere around the 1, it's going to go into fine feed. When we get down to the 0, that's the end of the travel cylinder. So it comes up against a dead stop. I'll show you that again. This may represent taking off 10 or 12 thousandths off your workpiece. Of course, you have to set it up manually, and you'll use your hand wheel once this gets to 0. To make the part the final size. And then after you have the machine set, then each time it will repeat that way. Right, there's also a traverse grinding cycle. Let's see. That. Turn this off. You can learn, your buttons. Now your table will start to move here. Now your infeed comes mechanically. There's a pick and pull behind this cover, which each time you reverse, you feed. Now you could shut one of these switches off here and it will feed on the left side or the right side or both sides. This part of the cycle does not have a spark out. Otherwise, when it gets down to 0, you let the table go back and forth as often as you want, and then you retract the head. Okay. The workhead here is variable speed. By turning this variator here, you can increase and decrease the speed here. Electrical cabinet is on the side of the machine with all the electrics in it. The hydraulic unit is mounted at the rear of the machine. Have all the guards. This is your tailstock. I'll show you one more time that plunge cycle. Fine feed. Spark out. The end of the cycle.